My name is Chengdu. I'm from Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology in Cambodia, Kingdom of Wonder. During the study, I got many experience and about the new knowledge and new technology as well about the flood control, disaster mitigation, and water conservancy infrastructure planning to develop my country and other countries also. Lastly, I would like to thank you to our China and China government again to let me here, and also wish all the participants and the organizers to have good luck, good health, and the most prosperous thing in whole life. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Farzan Ahmed. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm working as an executive engineer in Bangladesh Water Development Board. At first, I'd like to convey my sincere thanks to Power China for arranging such a wonderful seminar where we can learn a lot about the flood management of China through different lectures and field visits. So I believe the experience and knowledge I gained from this seminar will be very much helpful for my country, and I can directly apply this knowledge to my workplace as I am working as an executive engineer of my organization. Thank you again to Power China.
Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Vincent Kabuti. I'm Irrigation Secretary from Kenya, and I've really had so much fun during this seminar on flood control, disaster management, and water conservancy infrastructure and plan. And we've seen the kind of investments in terms of equipment, in terms of data, in terms of knowledge and people that you need to have in place to make sure that the communities are not impacted heavily by floods. So it has been a good one. There has been a lot to learn, and we want to continue with this engagement to make sure that we are also able to bring home some of these methods, technologies, and ideas that we've learned here, also help our communities to be free from effects of flood. Thank you very much.
My name is Clementito. Actually, I come from the Solomon Islands. I'm here with the invitation of the Chinese government through our embassy in Solomon Islands, and we are privileged to be part of this trip. I want to thank more especially for Power China for sponsoring this seminar, and also we thank the Chinese embassy in Solomon Islands and the Chinese government for initiating this trip. And I wish every participant, they will learn from what we here for and take it by home, and then we can develop our country to manage the flood management in our country. Thank you very much.